Blackout poetry. How to play. The method is simple. Take a short newspaper or a magazine article and start selecting words or short expression. It's better if you draw boxes around them. Then black out the rest of the text. Only the chosen words remain visible. Read them together. Do they make a story? Or some symbolic or metaphorical image? More tips. Think of the task as a craft or a kind of treasure hunt. Try to spot hidden and secret messages in the text. If you do it very often, some big words start to kind of shine like neon light from the text bulk. You can perfect your craft by choosing verbs and particles, such as the and prepositions, instead of just big words in order to make your story more coherent. Here is one I played. I took a paragraph from the first chapter of the novel, Jane Eyre, and I chose some words. They end up saying something. This is how it ends up looking. With desperate suffering, I received what I did. Gone were the words.
It's your turn to play it your way. Cut short articles from old magazines or newspapers and play the blacking out game. Stick them in blank pages to make your collection of the blackout poems.